Hey guys, Brian Mancuso, GETAC. This is the big day. Unboxing 2 new devices. I'm getting ready to go to the National Fire Chief Show, which is in Kansas City this year. Yay. So I'll be there at the Feather Shock booth showing off some of this new equipment. These are unique. This is the new F120, but it does something huge for fire and for potentially for police. That is thermal imaging. So here you can see, so I got my tablet. It's in a 10-inch. This is the 12.2. So we'll walk out here and you can change, just like the Predator, you know, would change in the movies, would change the different images. So we're gonna go outside here. You can switch the, you know, to hot, to cold, different things. You can see, we just got my wife's car just came back, so you can see probably the things were pretty hot in here. So you can see the brakes. This car was used for automotive. So we do, you know, we were just at a transit show, so you can see I just got done driving my car. You can see the brakes are really hot for me using the vehicle. And if you were looking for somebody that got ejected at an accident scene, you can see you can look around. One of the other ones that I'll do later is for police officers to see potentially a weapon hidden underneath somebody's clothing. But you can see you can switch again all the different imaging. I can take a picture. This also allows me to let's see, I think I can switch between screens. I can look at a spot on here. So a lot of capabilities out there. Start this back up again. So you can see now I can switch to normally, like, am I really looking at that? You're like, yeah, that's really what that was. Switch it back to thermal. But this is going to be an amazing thing for police and fire. I mean, the ability to see stuff. Let's see if my house is, you can see some of the warm spots. Obviously it's 2,000 degrees in Kansas today. So you see a lot of the heat from the vehicles. There's an individual right out there, walking around. So you can see, even see an individual. But you can actually pick up on that. There's my neighbor across the street, he's a police officer as well. So pretty cool. This is the GETAC F120 with thermal imaging. So it's a built-in thermal camera. We also have it in the 10-inch, the UX10. I will be showcasing these at the National Fire Show in Kansas City this week, as well as taking to some big appointments. And then I plan to do one later for the police department, how motorcycle cops could potentially use this. So this is a big game changer for GETAC. So again, we continue to try to push the boundaries of what you can do with this equipment and make it powerful. So it's kind of like the Predator. It's kind of cool. You can see all kinds of imaging and stuff. So again, Brian with GETAC with the new thermal imaging F120 and UX10, the 10.1. We'll do the same thing. I'll do a video later about that as well. Let me know if you guys have any questions or thoughts. Thank you.